60 years, that's right, Doc. Hooray! Yay! We don't want to disturb the space-time continuum for too much longer, so wave goodbye to Doc, everybody. Courthouse Square still has many facades that were built in the 1940s. The rest of our metro sets are considerably newer, redesigned and rebuilt in 2000. Now it's time to prepare for the equatorial jungle of King Kong and Skull Island. Here's Academy Award-winning director Peter Jackson.
That's the back of the structure.
New Eleanor Show structure.
The
Allowing little sneak peek at some of the wildlife in Skull Island. In a sense, this is like a mini sequel. We are just taking the Kong and Skull Island
And success, telling monster stories, beginning with the Phantom of the Opera back in the 1920s, spanning all the way to today with our newest land, Dark Universe, themed to monsters, our classic Universal monsters, Frankenstein, Dracula.
This tram is overloaded. Tell them they can walk on water. It's part of the tour.
Everybody remain calm. We'll try to... Sweeping the harbor, making sure it's safe. There's a shark. There's a shark in the estuary, a shark in the pond, in the harbor, in the lake. Just stay out of the water.
Lara, run.
experience for visitors during our earlier studio tour days was a visit to Prop Plaza, where you could take pictures of your favorite movie props, set pieces, and picture cards. For our 60th anniversary, we recreated that opportunity for you again. This is your chance to walk out on